Thank you, Stephanie. And tonight, the question on a lot of minds across the community: what in the world could have motivated this man, Christopher Moran, to target and take innocent lives, seemingly at random? Our 4 in Your Corner team coverage continuing now as we work to get these answers. Deborah Souverain also live at the park tonight. She's been sifting through brand new documents that paint a picture of conflict between Moran and anyone he seemed to come into contact with. Deborah?
Patrick, the documents I looked at today reveal that Moran had a few minor run-ins with the law, including a few conflicts with people that were close to him before Sunday night's violent shooting. And I also spoke to one of his co-workers, who tells me he believes that Moran may have been dealing with a drug addiction and the recent loss of his mother. A cold-blooded killer shot dead by police after going on a shooting rampage. Not much is known about Christopher Moran, but a neighbor who faced off with him moments before his killing spree says he seemed a bit off.
He was either on drugs severely or he was severely unstable because he wasn't making any sense.
I did some digging into Moran's past and found court documents revealing strife between Moran and those close to him. In 2008, this petition was filed against Moran by Stanton Madoff for domestic violence, the complaint referencing the possession of firearms. A judge dismissed the case. Other documents reveal Moran filed a similar domestic violence petition against a Mary Madoff 6 years later. A judge denied Moran's petition. I also discovered Moran had a few minor run-ins with the law: speeding, driving without proof of insurance, and a criminal DUI conviction. I called one of Moran's former co-workers from Ace Rent-A-Car in Fort Myers. He says the father of one was a good worker, but appeared to be on drugs. And he said he would sweat a lot and nod off at work.
Yeah, it'd be like 70 degrees in there, and he'd be just sweating, sometimes nodding off. I got the impression from having friends and family that have been addicted to drugs that he was some type of either heroin or like some opiate type of pills.
He went on to describe a man who loved his child and was dealing with the recent loss of his mother, which leaves his neighbor confused as to why a father would risk it all.
I told him, I said, Chris, I'm a father and a grandfather. You don't want to do this stuff. What are you doing?
And Moran's co-worker you heard from tells me that he worked with him for about 5 months. And he says during that time, Moran was one of the top salesmen at their job. He says that everyone that worked with him were shocked when they heard about what happened Sunday. And again, here at Four Freedoms Park, in about an hour, people will be gathering here to honor the victims that lost their lives in that senseless shooting. Reporting from Cape Coral, Deborah Souverain, Fox 4, in your corner.